Is this Mellif tiller powered by M18 batteries any good? We're gonna find out right now. We're gonna be pulling all the weeds out, take out the garden decorations, keep them safe, get this thing tilled up, and then plant petunias and some other flowers my wife found. So stick around, it's all coming up right now. All right, let's see what this thing's got. We got the garden pretty well cleaned out. Let's see it till. It will eventually bog down, but I gotta put a lot of weight on it. Like, you can hear where it's like really working, but it's also really, really strong. So we could dig back to this same country of origin, or we just let it do its own job, because you don't need to put your foot on it. But when you're working on a harder terrain, this thing has so much power, it's constantly trying to get away from you. I ended up putting my foot on top of it the other day to dig, and it worked out pretty good. Not that I'd recommend that, but this thing has enough power where I can put the weight of my foot on it, and it's still pulling me forward. Like it has a ton of power, more power than I expected it to. And that's contributed to the M18 battery here. What a great platform to not only own, but then you get a tool where you're not stuck buying a $500 Milwaukee tiller. Not that they even make one, but if they did, guaranteed it would be more than $100.
Can I stop it?
No, it's right there. Hopefully there's no low voltage cables. I'm sad to report that there was low voltage cables. right, now we're gonna take the Makita drill, you know, because it's green. This is for internal use only, but tonight we're gonna use it in our garden. Oh, we put this in here. Here. I thought she was gone. What I usually do in my gardens, man, I just leave these little pots and I let the flower grow in the pot and I bury the pot. That way, like, no weeds or anything gets in my ground. And that's why there's pots in the garden. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What?
You're cute.
You're cute.
Hold it.
Hey, that's my job.
Yeah, but I gotta do it on camera first. Gotta pretend to pet it.
Don't do everyone.
I won't. All right, give me one red one so I can put it here, and then you can do the rest. Just get it. Give me another one, Keely. This one's stupid. This one actually has problems. All right, there's the finished product. I think that tiller works pretty good. There's one downside to this tiller. It uses a lot of power. And because it's only got 2 prongs on the back side, we don't have a temperature prong to monitor the status of the battery or to make sure we don't over discharge the battery. So you really want to pay attention to larger jobs than this when using this tiller continuously. You can see here we still have 4 bars on this battery. We haven't even tapped into the potential of how much work we can accomplish with just one 6.0. But if you are a homeowner, you're looking for a tiller or something like that, you might not own a 6.0. Just make sure you're watching your battery gauge periodically so you don't over discharge your battery. Especially if you're a tool person and, oh fuck. Fuck it, I think I got the point across. We're good.
That's how you should end it.
That's how, that is how we should end it.